So one question that people who love shopping might have is it any cheaper here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and try to find out, but some of these I can't get in unless you, I guess, have some type of registration or appointment. So I'm gonna see if I can just go into this Saint Laurent store. Yeah, for this one is 12,000 ringgit for either color. Okay, so 12,000 ringgit. So how much is that? I'm gonna type it into the currency exchange, about 12,100 ringgit. That is $2,707.23. So yeah, that is not any cheaper, I don't think. And at the same time, the average annual salary of people here in Kuala Lumpur is around $24,000 a year. So yeah, you're gonna have to be pretty rich to be able to afford this stuff. So as far as I could tell, it is not cheaper buying it here for luxury brands.